Zone's insulated crimp terminals are designed for strong and dependable wire connections. They are UL certified and rated for high voltage and high temperature, up to 600 V and 221 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed for everyday installation and long-term use, key features include tinned copper core, high conductivity for secure, long-lasting connections. Zone's wire terminals are clearly marked with compatible wire gauge sizes, making it easy to choose the right terminal for your application. Let's take a look at how to crimp them properly. Measure the required length first, then strip off the insulation accordingly. Insert the copper wire fully into the metal barrel. The conductor must be fully inserted until it contacts the front end of the metal barrel. Use a crimping tool to firmly secure the terminal for a tight connection. Crimping is complete. The connection is secure and will not loosen. Suitable for a wide range of applications, including home electrical repairs, heavy-duty wiring, and equipment installations. By Zone Industry Corp.